Hi everyone, welcome back to 10th standard maths class. In the previous video we have finished the section cone sector. Okay, now in this video we are going to learn our last section of this chapter. Last section is sphere. You all are familiar with the shape sphere. Okay, it is just like a ball like this. Okay, now when you check this shape you can see that only one surface is there. Okay, only one surface around this portion. Okay, so for the sphere only one surface area will be there, because only one surface there will be only one surface area. Okay, and as it is a solid figure, volume will also be there. Okay, so first one is surface area, TSA or surface area. Total surface area and curved surface area both are same for a sphere because only one surface area. So surface area of sphere equal to, it is 4 pi r square. This is the equation. 4 pi r square is the surface area of sphere. Okay, now next is volume. Volume of sphere will be total 4 pi r square here. So in order to get the volume, like this, 4 by 3. Okay, then pi r cube. 4 by 3 pi r cube is the volume of sphere. So surface area is 4 pi r square, then volume is 4 by 3 pi r cube. Now next one more figure you have to learn, that is hemisphere. Hemisphere means when you cut this circle into two equal halves. Okay, when you cut this circle into two equal halves, you will get two parts of the circle. Each part is known as hemisphere. Okay, so this is the shape of hemisphere. Now here you can see that two faces are there. Okay, for sphere only one face, but for hemisphere you can see that two faces. First face is base. Okay, a base is there. Base portion is what? Base is a circular portion. Okay, a base is there, then one curved portion also there. That means two faces are there. That means base area is there, curved surface area is there, and total surface area also there. Now let's find first base area. So base area, here the equation will be same area of circle, because for hemisphere base is what? Base is circle. So base area will be area of circle, that is pi r square. Okay, area of circle is pi r square. That's why base area equal to pi r square. Next is curved surface area. This area. This is curved surface area. Now curved surface area is 2 pi r square. Okay, 2 pi r square is curved surface area. Now next is total surface area. Total surface area means sum of this base area and curved surface area. Pi r square and 2 pi r square. So total is 3 pi r square. So total is 3 pi r square. Total surface area of hemisphere is 3 pi r square. Now next is volume. Volume of hemisphere. Volume of hemisphere is half the volume of sphere. That is 4 by 3 pi r cube is volume of sphere. Now volume of hemisphere is 2 by 3. 4 by 3 comes to 2 by 3. 2 by 3 pi r cube. 2 by 3 pi r cube is the volume of hemisphere. Okay, you can compare and learn. So base area is pi r square, curved surface area is 2 pi r square, then total surface area is 3 pi r square, then volume equal to 2 by 3 pi r cube. Okay.
Now let's move on to problems. From page number 203. First question. Here is your question. The surface area of a solid sphere is 120 square centimeters. If it is cut into two halves, what would be the surface area of each hemisphere?
Here in this question, surface area of sphere is given. Okay, surface area of sphere means only one surface area is there, that is TSA. TSA of sphere is given. TSA of sphere is given as 120 centimeter square. If this sphere is cut into two equal hemisphere, what will be the TSA of each hemisphere? That is the question. Okay, so we know equation TSA of hemisphere equation is what? That is 3 pi r square. So TSA of sphere equation is what? 4 pi r square. Okay, this is the only thing we know from this question because TSA of sphere is given. So 4 pi r square we can write as 120. Okay, now from this pi r square we can find pi r square. That will be equal to, take this into 4 to this side. That is 120 by 4. 120 by 4 is 30 centimeter square. So we got pi r square equal to 30 centimeter square. We want to find what? TSA of hemisphere we want to find. What is the equation? Equation is 3 pi r square. Okay, 3 pi r square is the equation. So that is equal to 3 into pi r square value we already found from TSA of sphere. What is that? Pi r square equal to 30. So instead of this pi r square we can apply 30. So 3 into 30 equal to 90 centimeter square. Okay, this is the TSA of hemisphere when we get by cutting a sphere into two equal half. Okay, so first one answer.
Next is question number 2. The volumes of two spheres are in the ratio 27 is to 64. What is the ratio of their radii and the ratio of their surface areas?
Here in this question it is given that ratio of two spheres volume. Okay, two spheres volume. That means we can write the first sphere's volume as V1 and second sphere's volume as V2. So ratio means V1 is to V2. So that ratio is given as 27 is to 64. This is a given thing. Now from this we have to find what is the ratio of their radius and what is the ratio of surface area. This is the question. So in order to find this answer, only ratio we have. Okay, this is V1 and V2 volumes ratio. So let's use the equation. What is the volume of sphere equation? That is 4 by 3 pi r cube. This is the equation. As it is first one volume, we can mark r as r1. First sphere is to second sphere volume, also same equation. That is 4 by 3 pi, instead of r1 r2 cube, because this is a second sphere, equal to 27 is to 64. Like this we can start. This is the only option. Okay, because other than this ratio nothing we have. So here 4 by 3 by 4 by 3 pi we can cancel. Next remaining is r1 cube is to r2 cube equal to 27. 27 is the cube root of what? 3. Because 3 into 3 into 3. That is 27. 3 3s are 9. 9 3s are 27. So instead of 27 we can write as 3 cube is to 64 is the cube root of 4. That is 4 cube. Okay, if you don't know that, you can factorize and find 64. We can start from 4. In 64, how many 4s are there? In 6 only 1 4. Balance 2, 24, 6 4. Next 4. In 16, 4 4s are there. Again in 4, only 1 4. Like this. So 3 4. 4 into 4 into 4 is 64. That's why 4 cube. If you are starting from 2, that also I will show. If you are starting from 2, suppose in 6 3 2s are there, in 4 2 2s are there. Again you can start with 2. In 3 only 1, balance 1, that is in 12. In 12 6, 60. So again with 2, that is 8 2s are 16. Again 2. In 8, how many 2s? 4. Again 2. In 4, 2. Okay, like this we can continue. After this you have to pair the same numbers. Okay, 2 pairs, 2 2s you have to pair like this. Okay, like this you will get. Now here in 2 2, here answer is 4. Here 2 into 2, 4. Here 2 into 2, 4. So cube root means 4 4 4. 4 into 4 into 4 is 64. Okay, so 4 cube and 3 cube. Now here R1 cube and R2 cube is this one. Then R1 is to R2 will be what? R1 is to R2 will be 3 is to 4. So this is first part. What is the ratio of their radii? That is R1 is to R2 is 3 is to 4 is the answer. Next is the surface area ratio. Surface area we can mark as S1 and S2. First surface area and second surface area. S1 is to S2. R1 is to R2 we got 3 is to 4. Now let's apply the equation. What is the equation? Surface area of sphere. That is 4 pi r square. This is first one. So 4 pi r1 square is to next surface area, that is 4 pi r square r2 here will be. Okay. Now here this 4 pi and 4 pi we can cancel. Now here r1 and r2. r1 square and r2 square. What is the value r1? r1 here it is 3. Okay, from the previous section, we found R1 as 3 and R2 as 4. Ratio 3 is to 4. Here also we are applying ratio. That's why we can write R1 as 3 and R2 as 4. So R1 3, 3 square is to R2 as 4. So 4 square. That is 9 is to 16. So 9 is to 16 is the surface area. Ratio of surface area of these two spheres. Okay, so this is second one's answer.
Next question number 3. The base radius and length of a metal cylinder are 4 cm and 10 cm. If it is melted and recast into spheres of radius 2 cm each, how many spheres can be made?
This is a melting and recasting problem. Third one. Okay, similar problem we have done in the previous section. Melting and recasting. What is the speciality of melting and recasting problem? Volume remains same. Okay. So here in this question, a cylinder is going to melt. Okay, here the melting solid is a cylinder. We are going to melt a cylinder, and which solid we are recasting? We are going to recast, that is sphere. Okay, from the by melting a cylinder, a sphere is going to make. Spheres we are going to make. Question is how many spheres we will get by recasting this? How many spheres we will get? That is a question. So here melting solid cylinder. Cylinder measurements are given, that is radius as 4 centimeter is given and height given as 10 centimeter. Okay, radius and height given for the cylinder. Now for the recasting sphere, condition is radius must be 2 centimeter. How many spheres we will get with the radius 2 centimeter? That is the question. So here number of sphere means number of recasting product. So number of sphere, how we will find? What is the equation? Volume of melting cylinder. Okay, what is the equation? Volume of melting solid divided by volume of recasting. That is the equation. So here melting solid is cylinder. Therefore, volume of cylinder, because cylinder is going to melt. So volume of cylinder by which is the product we are going to recast? Sphere. So that one's volume. So volume of sphere. Okay, this is the equation. Now what is the equation? Volume of cylinder. Equation is pi r square h divided by volume of sphere. Equation is 4 by 3 pi r cube. Okay, this is the equation. Now let's simplify. Here pi and pi we can cancel. Okay, so in the numerator r square h radius. Okay, cylinder's radius. What is cylinder's radius? It is 4. So 4 square we can write as 4 into 4 into height. What is the measurement height? It is 10. So 4 into 4 into 10 divided by already 1 4 here, 4 into r cube, that is radius of sphere. What is the radius of sphere? It is 2. So r cube means 2 cube. So 2 into 2 into 2. Now here 1 by 3. Take that by 3 to numerator. So it will be here like this. Now let's simplify. This 4 and 4 we can cancel. Now these two, 2 into 2, 4. That 4 and this 4 we can cancel. Now 1, 2 remain here. So in 2, 1, 2, in 10, 5. Now what will be the answer? 5 into 3. That is 15 spheres we can create. Okay, 15 spheres with radius 2 centimeter can be created by melting a cylinder with radius 4 centimeter and height 10 centimeter. Okay, this is third one's answer. Very important question.
Next question number 4. A metal sphere of radius 12 cm is melted and recast into 27 small spheres of equal size. What is the radius of each small sphere?
This question is also same like question number 3. Okay, melting and recasting one. But here melting solid and recasting solid both are same shape. Okay, solids both are same. Question, melting solid is a large sphere. Okay, a large sphere. Both are sphere. A large sphere with the radius, what radius is given? 12 centimeter. Okay, so a large sphere going to melt and 27 small spheres creating. Okay, 27 small spheres are recasting from that volume. Okay, question is, what will be the radius of these 27 small spheres? That is the question. What will be the radius of this 27 small spheres? So here also same equation, because we know only that equation, what number of recasting one, number of that is spheres. Okay, number of small spheres equal to volume of what? Large sphere, because melting one is large sphere. Volume of large sphere divided by what is the recasting one? Recasting one is also sphere, small spheres. So volume of small sphere. This is the equation. Now equation is what? Here number of small sphere already we have, that is 27. Okay, that answer is directly given. So instead of this we can write 27. 27 equal to volume of large sphere. Equation is 4 by 3 pi r cube. Here radius already given. Okay, 4 by 3 pi r cube divided by small sphere, equation also same, 4 by 3 pi r cube. In order to differentiate this, let's consider this r as capital letter R, because large sphere, that's why capital letter R, just to mention. Now here 4 by 3 pi, 4 by 3 pi we can cancel. Now here what we will get? 27 equal to r cube. Radius of large sphere we have that is 12. So r cube means 12 cube. That is 12 into 12 into 12 divided by r cube, small r cube, that we don't know. That is the thing what we need to find here. Now take this r cube to this side and take this 27 to this side. Okay, that is r cube here equal to 12 into 12 into 12 divided by 27 we have to take to this side, and this 27 we can split as what? 3 into 3 into 3, cube root of 3. So 3 into 3 into 3, like this we can write. That is, we can cancel. Now here 3 in 1 3, in 12 4 3s are there, same here 4, here also 4. So we got r cube as what? 4 into 4 into 4, that is 4 cube. Then what will be r radius of small sphere? Equal to 4 centimeter. That means by melting a large sphere with the radius 12 centimeter, we can create 27 small spheres with the radius 4 centimeter. Okay, so this is fourth one's answer. Just to reverse of that third one. Okay, already answer given, we have to find the radius. Okay.
Next question number 5. From a solid sphere of radius 10 cm, a cone of height 16 cm is carved out. What fraction of the volume of the sphere is the volume of the cone?
Here in this question, we have a sphere. Okay, a sphere with the radius 10 centimeter we have. From this sphere, maximum cone. Okay, a cone of maximum size we are going to carve out. Okay, we are going to carve out a maximum size cone. Of height is given. Height is given as 16 centimeter. It is like this. Okay, this is a cone. Okay, from this sphere, this height must be 16. Okay, this total height is 16. Height of 16 centimeter cone we are going to carve out. Here the question is the volume of this cone. Okay, volume of this cone is how much part of the volume of sphere? That is the question. Volume of cone is how much part of volume of sphere? So both we need. Okay, both of volume we need. So in order to find the volume, radius of sphere we have. Okay, r of sphere. What is the radius of sphere? It is given in the question 10 centimeter. Okay, now height of cone we have, h we have, but radius of cone we don't know. Radius of cone is not given. So in order to find this, find the center. Take the center of the sphere. Okay, this is the center of the sphere. So from this center to all the point, radius will be what? 10 centimeter. So if we draw a line to this end point, this will be what? Same 10 centimeter. Now from this center point to this upward portion also 10. Okay. Now here total measurement is what? Total is 16 centimeter. Okay. Let's mark the points as A, B, C and D. This is O point. Now here CO is 10 centimeter, that is radius, and OB also radius, that is 10 centimeter. Now what will be this point, this measurement DO? Only this measurement from C to D 16. Out of that 10 we can cut, so the remaining is 6 here. Now this base portion, this will be what? Radius of cone. So radius of cone equal to, by using Pythagoras theorem, we can write as radius is what? Base. So hypotenuse square minus altitude square. That is 10 square minus 6 square. Okay. That is equal to root of 100 minus 36. 100 minus 36 root 64. That is 8 centimeter. So R is 8 centimeter and H is given as 16 centimeter. Okay. So all the measurement we got. Now we have to find the volume. Volume of cone and volume of sphere. Here we need how much part. Okay, volume of cone is how much part of volume of sphere. That means the larger volume will be volume of sphere. So this is a part. Volume of cone divided by volume of sphere. This will be the answer. Now let's apply the equation. Volume of cone equation is what? That is 1 by 3 pi r square h. This is the equation. Divided by volume of sphere equation is 4 by 3 pi r cube. Okay. Now this by 3 and by 3 we can cancel. Pi and pi also cancel. Now let's apply the value. R square, that is cone's radius. So here 8 is the radius. So 8 into 8 into height is what? 16 divided by 4 is there into r cube, that is radius of sphere. What is radius of sphere? It is 10. So 10 cube, that is 10 into 10 into 10. Now let's simplify. This 4 and 8 we can cancel. In 4 only 1 4. In 8 2 4s are there. Next with the 10. In 2 only 1 2. In 10 5 2s are there. Again let's take 8 and 10 here. In 8 4 2s are there. In here 5 2s are there. Again let's take this 10 and 4. In 10 5 2s are there. In 4 2. That means here the remaining answer is 2 into 16, that is 32. Divided by 5 into 5 into 5. 5 5s are 25. 25 into 5, 125. That means 32 by 125 part. Okay, 32 by 125 part of volume of sphere is volume of cone. Volume of cone is equal to 32 by 125 part of volume of sphere. This is fifth one's answer.
Next question number 6. The picture shows the dimensions of a petrol tank. How many liter of petrol can it hold?
Here in this question, a petrol tank is given. Okay, a petrol tank we have to find the volume of petrol tank in liter. That is a question. Now here Total height of petrol tank is given. Total height means from this end to this end measurement is what? 6 meter. Okay, that is 6 meter. Now this portion, this one measurement is given as what? 1 meter here, 1 meter here. Okay, that means when you get a question like this, you have to identify which all are the solid include in that whole figure. That is a first A. So when you check this, you can see that in this portion one hemisphere. Okay, this is hemisphere, half sphere. So one hemisphere here, one hemisphere here. In both the end one hemisphere, and in the middle portion. In the middle portion is what? It is a cylinder. Okay, it's a 3D figure. Okay, like this. It is a 3D figure, three-dimensional figure like this. So in center portion is a cylinder and two hemispheres are attached to both the end of the cylinder. So in order to get the volume of this petrol tank, we have to find volume of hemisphere plus volume of cylinder, again volume of hemisphere. So two hemispheres means that we can connect as what? As sphere. Okay, two hemisphere joined together, what we will get? One sphere we will get. Okay, so here volume of petrol tank will be what? Volume of petrol tank equal to volume of two hemisphere. Two hemisphere means it is sphere. So volume of sphere plus then what? Volume of middle portion is cylinder. This will be the equation. Okay, now here sphere. For the sphere, radius is given as 1 meter. Okay, so for the sphere, hemisphere, radius and height both are equal. If this radius is 1 meter, its height will also be 1 meter. That means up to this portion is also 1 meter. Okay, radius of cylinder also what? Same, 1 meter. Radius of cylinder also 1 meter. Next is height of the cylinder we need. H we need. That means up to this. From this portion to this portion measurement we need. Total is 6 meter. From here to this portion 1 meter. From here to this first hemisphere also 1 meter. So the remaining will be what? H equal to 6 minus 1 here, 1 here. So total 2. So 6 minus 2 equal to 4 meter will be height. Okay. Now radius is given as what? 1 meter. Radius for both the cylinder and sphere, it is the same, 1 meter. Now let's find the answer. That is volume of petrol tank equal to volume of sphere. Volume of sphere equation is 4 by 3 pi r cube plus volume of cylinder equation is pi r square h. Now let's apply the value. So here 4 by 3 pi r cube. Radius both are same, that is 1. So 1 cube, same 1, plus pi r square. Radius of cylinder also 1 meter. So pi into 1 square into height is what? 4. So 4 here. Now when you simplify this, you will get 4 by 3 pi plus 4 pi. Okay, 4 by 3 pi plus 4 pi. Now here 4 pi we can take outside. So 4 pi inside, what will be there? 1 by 3 plus 1. From this 4 by 3 pi, 4 pi we took outside. So 1 by 3 plus this 4 pi we took complete 4 pi. So remaining is 1. Now let's simplify this. That is 4 pi into 1 by 3 plus 1 cross multiplication. So 1 into 1 1 plus 1 into 3 3. So 3 plus 1 4. Again we will get 4 by 3 pi. 4 by 3. So answer is what? 4 into 4 16. 16 pi by 3 is the answer. Okay, 16 pi by 3. Now here in liter we need to find. Otherwise let's stop here. But we have to find the final answer in liter. That means pi value we have to apply. So 16 into pi value is 3.14 whole divided by 3. When you multiply this, you will get the answer as 16.746. 6 will continue. So 16.746 meter cube. Okay, meter cube we got. Now we need answer in liter. So meter to liter it is into 10. But here meter cube. So meter cube means total 10 into 10 into 10 you have to multiply. That is 1000. Okay. So this answer 16.746 into 1000 we have to multiply. 1 meter to liter is into 10. But here meter cube. That's why 1000. So answer is what? 16,746 liter. Okay, just to change the points. 30 here. So take this 30 to this side. So 16,746 liter is the volume of this particular petrol tank. Okay, this type of question also you can expect. Okay, because this is application level question. Lots of figures you will get. Sometimes that rocket shape. Okay, rocket shape means a cylinder with one hemisphere. Okay, a cylinder with one hemisphere is the shape of rocket. Sometimes they will ask like what is the volume of that rocket. Okay, that type of question also you can expect. Sometimes one hemisphere with one cone. Okay, attaching. In all these type of problems you have to check which all are the solids included in that figure. Then separately find the volume of each one, then just add. Okay, so this is sixth one's answer.
Last one, question number 7. A solid sphere is cut into two hemispheres. From one, a square pyramid, and from the other, a cone, each of maximum possible size are carved out. What is the ratio of their volumes?
Here in this question, a sphere is cut into two equal hemisphere. Okay, a sphere is cut into two equal hemisphere. By using first hemisphere, a maximum size cone is created. And from the second hemisphere, maximum size what a square pyramid is going to create. Question is what is the ratio of their volumes? That means volume of cone is to volume of square pyramid. Okay, so if we want to create a cone from a hemisphere, maximum size means cone's base is the same as what hemisphere's base. Both are what square circle. That's why we can take the complete circle as base of the cone. Then height, maximum height we can consider as height of the cone. Like this we can create. So here radius remains what? Same. Radius will be same. And radius same r, let's take it as r itself. What will be the height of this cone? As it is hemisphere, radius and height both are equal. So r equal to h. Okay. So here first one is volume of cone. So volume of cone equation is 1 by 3 pi r square h. Here the values are not given. We just want the ratio. So here let's apply the value, that is 1 by 3 pi. Radius we took as r. So r square into height. Height of this particular cone is what? Same r, because it is a hemisphere. For hemisphere to the all measurement from the center to all side it is the same. So again we will get 1 r. So answer is 1 by 3 pi r cube. So this is volume of cone. Next we need volume of square pyramid from the second hemisphere. That means from this base portion we have to cut the square. Okay, square base of the square pyramid we have to cut from this portion. Now here side we don't know. Side of the square we don't know. So let's find side first. So for that, first of all consider the base portion, that is this circle portion. This is a circular base, and from this circular base we are going to cut the base of the square pyramid, that is square portion. Okay, now we are going to find the side of the square. So here let's consider only this portion. Okay, now here from this center to this point is radius. Okay, because it is a circle base. Now here also radius, and this portion, okay, this is the side of the square. So the side of the square a equal to what? By using Pythagoras theorem we can find the answer as what? Hypotenuse equal to base square plus altitude square. Okay, because these two are diameters. Okay, perpendicular diameters. Because it is a square, we know diagonals are perpendicular bisectors. So in order to find this portion, a equal to root of base is what? R square, because it is radius, plus altitude also R. So R square plus R square, that is root of 2 R square. Okay. Now root 2 R square and root. For this R square, root and square come together. So let's take that R outside. So that is R. So root 2 R is the base edge of the square pyramid. Okay. Now let's find the volume. Volume of square pyramid. Volume of square pyramid. What is the equation? Volume of square pyramid is 1 by 3 a square h. This is the equation. Now here, height of this square pyramid will be what? This is creating from a hemisphere. Okay, in this base portion square comes, and height we can take the as maximum height of the hemisphere, that is radius. Same r will be square pyramid's height. Okay, height will be same for the cone and for the square pyramid. So 1 by 3 a square, that is a is what? Root 2 r. Root 2 r the whole square into h is also r. That is equal to 1 by 3 into root 2 square and r square. Root 2 square is 2. R square is r square. Now r square into r. So let's write it as r cube. Okay. So 1 by 3 2r cube is the answer. So 2r cube by 3. This is the answer. Now what we need to find here? We have to find the ratio. That means ratio of cone is to ratio of square pyramid. Volume. Volume of cone is to volume of square pyramid. So volume of cone is 1 by 3 pi r cube. This is the answer. Is to, second is square pyramid volume, that is 2 r cube by 3. This by 3 we can cancel, and this r cube and r cube also we can cancel, because both are from the same hemisphere, so same radius. Now what remains here? Here remaining answer is pi is to, here is 2. So pi is to 2 is the ratio of cone and square pyramid's volume. Okay, ratio of volume of cone and volume of square pyramid is pi is to 2. This is the answer. Both are creating from the same hemisphere. Okay, so this is the last question from this chapter. So chapter over. Hope you understand. Thank you. See you in the next video with the new chapter.